Hey everybody, this is part 2 for the next pack of the Searching Sparks 36 packs. I only opened, I think, around 18, but now it's 20 because, hold on, I always keep getting to count it first. 3, 6, 9, 10. Oh wait, no, that's 12, 15. I only got 15 packs because I opened 3 more on this side. And yes, I placed the Searching Spark of the promo cards EX here and Trainer on this side of my binder. So I'm only down to 15 packs. So let's get this started. Okay, I opened all 15 packs and I got my clear sleeves ready. So let's get this started. I'm gonna go with this one here. I can't wait to see who I'll get at the end. Hollow. Let's start off with the one with the Pikachu. Another hollow. It looks like I need some luck on my side. Let's start with the one with the Latias. Hollow. Okay, we're gonna need some luck on our side real quick. Let's see, this one will do. Let's see what we'll get. Hollow. Okay, let's start with this one. Come on, let's see if luck could be on my side again. Yes! Well, you know, luck is on my side. I got me a Flappy. And it's not damage either. Yes. I got me 1 hit right here. I'm only got 10 more to go. Let's do this one. Hope I get something good at the end. Please let it be something good. Hollow. Let's start with this one. Okay, I got a scramble switch. Hollow. Really Stormy 2. Let's see for the next one. Let's see. I'll do this one here. I'm so excited. I can't wait to catch some new Pokemons in here. Nice. It got me an EX. Okay, time to do this one. The Latias cover. I hope I get something good at the end. Hollow. Time to do Pikachu. Hollow. Let's see, I'm down to 5 left, and I only scored 3 right here. Let's see this one. Hope I get something good. I think I'll save the Pikachu for last. Hollow. Okay, let's see this one. Hollow. Okay, I'm going with this one next. Then Latias, and finally Pikachu. Kippley. I'm running out of some good luck on my side. Let's see if it'll come true again. Okay, it got me EX. Nice. Now I got 4. I did say I saved the Pikachu for last. Come on, I need luck on my side. I'm so excited. Whoa, I got me a trainer. Wow, she is beautiful. I better sleeve her up. Wow, I got me a trainer, everyone. Now I got 5. Last one. Come on, give me some good luck on my side. Let's see who's that Pokemon or trainer. Who I get? Hello. Okay, I score me 5 right here. But I put the other Surging Spark cards that I have with the promo EX. So this is the one that I pulled. And here's the other one. That's 10. And now 15. So I had 15 out of 36 of the Surging Sparks Pokemon cards. I'm going to add it into my binder here. Okay, now that they're in the binder, I was so lucky to get all these Pokemon cards. It's like they say, gotta catch them all. Alright, I'm gonna end the video here. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And I'm sure my best friend Lewis is gonna start opening up his new Pokemon cards. So wish me luck in the next one. Thank you.